Hey guys, what's up everybody, and this is video number 4 of my Power Director tutorial series. I hope you've enjoyed the other videos, so make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'm going to see you on the next one. See you later guys. Why hello everybody, and welcome back to another Skilz4U Power Director tutorial, and this is video number 4 where we're going to learn to do picture-in-picture within your timeline. So first of all, let's open up the Power Director program from your desktop. Then we're going to go import media. So what I want you to do first of all, before you get to this part, is record 4 clips of yourself doing 4 different things. Or you can do 2 different things, it doesn't matter, but you need to have at least 4 recordings. And what we're going to do is we're going to place all of these videos within our preview screen on the timeline. So you're going to show 4 videos operating at the same time on the screen. So I've already prepared. So what I've done here is I've got 4 videos of myself. As you can see, I'm orientated towards the left on this video, and then I've got another video which I'm orientated towards the right, and I've done an additional 2 more videos doing slightly different things with orientation to the left and to the right. So first of all, we're going to place these onto the timeline. So first of all, we're going to do a picture-in-picture for 2 videos. I'm going to hold down the left button on the mouse and drag onto the track number 1. As you can see, this has been highlighted here. So from here, you can see the cursors or the size adjustments around the box in our preview screen. Now, what I'm going to do is going to get the right video, holding down the left button, and I'm just going to drag it down to track number 2. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to resize. So taking my cursor up into our preview screen, you can see the resize box up here. I'm going to grab up to that top location there, holding down the left button and then dragging down just like that. So already you can see you've got the other video in the background, and what we can do is preview that. So very simple. So maybe you would want to resize both boxes. So again, we're going to select track number 1, so the big box. Maybe I wanted to make it a little bit smaller. I'm going to go down to the bottom cursor or the bottom size adjustment, holding down the left button on the mouse and then dragging it up. So there we have 2 pictures. So we have 2 videos all in the preview. So we can have a quick look at that video. So as you can see, both videos are playing. Now, what I would suggest if you're doing like a clone effect, having 2 images together, because you can do actual masking, which we'll do on the next video, is I would suggest lighting the background first of all. So unfortunately, the lighting I've got running in these 2 videos, the lighting's right at the front. So when I actually change position or sit in a different position, it changes the lighting in the background. So what you want to do is separate the lighting from the background in the foreground. So what that means is lighting the scenery against lighting the subject at the front of the camera. Okay, so what we're going to do with that is just make sure that looks a little bit better. So I'm just going to go into about 5 seconds, round about there, and I'm going to click the right button on the timeline marker and add time marker. So I'm just going to put start. So I'm just going to type start in there, just like that. And I'm just going to drag both clips to that start. Just do that again. So I'm just going to click. So I'm just going to hold that down. Oh, I didn't add the marker. So let's just repeat that again. So from that point there, add marker. Click OK. hopefully the timeline marker is still there, which it is. I'm just going to drag that, and I'm going to go to the second track, drag that in to that position, and then I'm going to look down the timeline, so where it naturally stops on both. Okay, so it's looking good, looking good, looking good, looking good, looking good. And stop around about there. So I'm going to add another timeline marker there, which I could put on their end. Just put a note end. I'm just going to reduce that down, so I'm pressing Control. So I'm going to reduce the timeline scale there. Select track 1, and I'm just going to drag that into the timeline, end of the timeline there, and do the same thing for track 2, drag it in. And let's just run that clip. So there we go. So we're looking at the preview screen here. Press play. Both begin pretty naturally. I suggest as well, when you're actually filming something like this, that you maybe start a stopwatch at the same time as you're starting the video on your camera, so you can time interaction with maybe yourself as well. Just have a little bit of synchronization. So that's a quick 15-second clip. So what you can do is even add further videos to that. Okay, but as I said before in some of the other previous videos, the more powerful computer you have, the easier or the quicker it's going to take to render. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these 2 video clips, just resizing, and then what we're going to do as well is we're going to add another video clip in there. Going to resize that, so go to the top left hand corner, Control, I'm using that left button on the mouse, dragging it in, resizing, and then I'm going to do the same thing with left number 2. So I've got another video there. I'm just going to drag, just going to bring that down to the next track down the bottom. We're just going to resize those videos there to match the first 2. Okay, we just need to resize that one there as well. We're going to drag that down towards the left, like so. And I'm just going to smarten up the end of the timeline there, and that. So now there's 4 of me. Scary stuff. So let's just run those videos. Let's see what that looks like. So if you're pretty creative, what you could do is pretty much you could have an interaction maybe with yourself, and then maybe the next video I'll do a video all about cloning, or should I say masking, or masking out parts of your video. So you could actually just have 2 people on the same screen, or it looks like they're on the actual same screen, but what you're actually doing is masking out videos. So the problem that you've got now is, as previous, if you haven't got a powerful computer, it could actually be quite slow at rendering the clip. So this is only a 20-second clip. So when I actually go and render that will probably take, I don't know, probably around about 5 to 10 minutes to actually render just for a 15-second clip. So that's a very simple way of doing a picture-in-picture effect in PowerDirector 16. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you click the like button and subscribe to the channel. That's the most important thing. And I'm going to catch you on the next one. See you later.